Peanut and Jaggery recipe. 1 cup jaggery grated or chopped. 1 cup roasted peanuts unsalted. 2 tablespoons ghee clarified butter. A pinch of salt optional. 1. In a pan, melt ghee over low heat. 2. Add grated or chopped jaggery to the melted ghee. Stir continuously until the jaggery melts completely. 3. Once the jaggery is melted, add roasted peanuts to the pan. Mix well to ensure that the peanuts are evenly coated with the jaggery. 4. Continue to cook the mixture for a few more minutes. Stirring continuously. If you prefer, you can add a pinch of salt for taste. 5. Once the mixture is well combined and reaches a sticky consistency, turn off the heat. 6. Transfer the mixture to a greased plate or tray. 7. Using a spatula. Press the mixture evenly into the plate or tray to form a smooth layer. 8. Allow it to cool and set for a few hours. 9. Once set, cut it into desired shapes like bars or squares. Enjoy your homemade jaggery and peanut bars. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comments section.